Hello, good afternoon sa ating mga live viewers, lalong-lalo na sa mga grade 9 Math Terrific students. Ako ang inyong Math Diwata pero Math Lupit at mabait na tutor. Walang iba kundi si Tutor Nick from SDO Caloocan City. Ayan, bumati muna tayo sa ating mga live viewers from again, Diamantina National High School, Cabanatuan East District, Diamantina, Cabanatuan, Isabela. Ayan, hello po, good afternoon, Charis Princess Ramon National High School. Good afternoon from Deparo High School, 9 Marigold. Hello, Krisha. And then, hi, Crystal May Rica Franca, 9 Bougainvillea from Deparo High School. Hello po sa inyong lahat dyan. Siyempre, binabati rin po natin ang mahal na principal ng Deparo High School, Ma'am Arlene C. Ocol. Hello po sa inyo. Good afternoon, Hana Nika, Donaire Paye, and Marinel Garan from Diamantina, Cabanatuan, Isabela. Ayan, isa na namang matirific na hapon sa inyong lahat. At handa na ba kayong matuto? Dahil nandito kami ang Itulay Online Tutorial para sa inyo, para itulay ang pagkatuto. Alright! Huwag kalimutan na nandito po kami lagi ni Tutor Janet at ni Tutor Nick para sa inyong Math 9 Itulay Online Tutorial. Pasasalamat po sa ating modules from Central Office. Ayan. Huwag kakalimutan, 3 o'clock to 3:40 p.m. sa ating DepEd EdTech Unit, DepEd Tayo Facebook page. At syempre live na live din sa ating DepEd Philippines YouTube channel, DepEd EdTech at DepEd TV. Okay, wag po yung kakalimutan. Alright, para naman sa ating mga Math Terrific students, bibigyan po namin kayo ng 30 seconds to share this live stream para hindi lang kayo ang matuto. Kasama na rin ang inyong mga mahal na kaklase. At hindi lang kayo makapasa, kundi sila din. Okay, shout out sa ating mga Iparonians dyan. Okay, tingnan nga natin, nangangamba na ba kayo kung pasado o hindi? Siyempre, nandito kami para itulay natin ang inyong pagkapasa. Alright! Ang ating topic for today ay direct, inverse, joint, and combined variations. Babalikan natin kung ano nga ba ang direct, inverse. And then, pag-aaralan din natin ang combined variations. Alright, kasama na rin si joint variations. Okay, handa na ba? Alright, so 20 seconds na lang. Na-share na po ba? Done sharing na ba? Ilagay sa ating comment section. Habang ako ay nagbabasa ng inyong mga comments. Okay. Tignan nga natin. Done sharing na ba? From Milky Way. Wow, ganda ng pangalan ng section. De La Cruz. Shane De La Cruz 9 Milky Way. Listening and learning from Luis Fe Gomez, Diamantina National High School, Cabanatuan, Isabela. Ang daming napaka-active natin dyan, no, sa Isabela. Alright. Good afternoon, Trian Laboy from Deparo High School. Okay, done sharing na siguro. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, done na daw po, sabi ni Crystal Mary Cafranca. Alright. And then we have here another from Isabela. Naimbag nga bigat kinyayo amin. Tama ba ako? Naimbag nga aldaw kinyayo amin. Okay. Alright. So, magsimula tayo sa ating objectives. At the end of the session, you will be able to illustrate situations that involve the following variations: join and combine, of course. And then solve problems involving variation. Okay? Now, let's find out how much you know about this topic. Magsanay tayo, tignan natin kung meron na ba kayong natutunan for the week 1. Number 1, please choose the letter and write it on our comment section. Make sure indicate the number. Alright, please indicate the number. Number 1, the cos C varies directly as the number of pencils N is written as, is it A, C equals K over N, B, K equals C times N, C, N equals KC, or D, C equals Kn. Alright, ano kaya ang ating standard form dyan? Once again, C varies directly as N. Okay, tignan nga natin ang ating mga comment section. Ilagay lang po A, B, C, or D. 10 seconds, go! Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hello, good afternoon. Watching from Diparo High School again, Rian Villanueva Omeres. Hello. Alright, at ang tamang sagot ay, okay, medyo nahuli ng konti. It's letter D. C varies directly as N. Okay, next tayo. Number 2. 3 men can do a portion of a job in 8 days. If the number of men increases, what will be the effect in the number of days to finish the same job? Ano kaya mangyayari? Again, 3 men, matatapos yung trabaho in 8 days. Paano naman kapag dinagdagan natin yung mga tao? Ano kaya ang magiging epekto nito sa trabaho? Is it A, increases, B, decreases, C, doubled, or D, no effect. Alright. Ang tamang sagot ay, tignan nga natin. Sige, bigyan ko na lamang kayo ng 5 seconds ha. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Ang tamang sagot ay, alright, letter B, decreases. At ito ay example ng inverse variation. Okay? When one increases, the other one decreases. Okay, next. Number 3. Which of the following situations illustrate joint variation? Ano kaya dito naman, no? It will illustrate the joint variation. Is it A, the heat required to melt a substance and its mass? Letter B, the perimeter of a square to its side? Letter C, the volume of a rectangular box to its length, width, and height? Or letter D, none of this? What do you think is the answer for number 3? Write the letter of your choice. Okay, 5 seconds, go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So habang inantay natin ang kanilang sagot, basa muna tayo. Kanina may mga nakasagot ng tama. Alright. Okay. Decreases. Okay, tignan nga natin yung mga sumasagot. Si Hannah Nika, Crystal May, Isabella, Cindy, Agonoy, si Lance. Alright, so sagot-sagot po ha. At marirecord naming mga teachers yan, no? Dagdag puntos din yan, lalo na. At bigayan na ng card. Siyempre, makakatulong ang ating Ituloy Online Tutorial upang mas lalo nyo pang ma-master yung lesson. Tama? Alright. Next, number 3. So, ano kaya ang tamang sagot dito for number 3? Good afternoon from Kristen Calzada. Hello, good afternoon. Cindy Bell. Okay, watching from Quirino National High School District, Quirino District. Hi, Cindy Bell. Ang ganda ng iyong pangalan. Number 3, ang tamang sagot daw. Okay, it's letter C, the volume of a rectangular box to its length, width, and height. Alright. Sige, proceed na po tayo. Okay, so dito naman, y varies inversely as x. So mapapansin natin, we have here the value of y, x, and the values of y, x, and k. So paano natin makukuha yung k? Remember, y is equal to k over x. So k is equal to xy. Alright. Tignan nga natin. Pero ang ilalagay nating equation is y is equal to k over x. Okay. Sige, sa ating review, dahil hindi ganun kahaba ang time na binigay sa atin, no? Pwede nyo yung screenshot at syempre, practicein sa bahay. Okay, magbibigay lang ako ng 30 seconds, no? Medyo matagal na yan. 10 seconds. Ready? Habang binabasa ko ang inyong mga comment. Okay, tingnan nga natin. 10 seconds, go. 10, 9, 8, 7. Ayun, may sumasagot pa sa kanina number 3. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Na-screenshot na po ba? Huwag kalimutang screenshot. Okay. At ang mga tamang sagot ay, alright, 5 times 6 equals 30 dahil k is equal to xy. Yan po ang ating mga technique para naman sa inverse variation. Alright. So ano kaya ang ating equation? Y equals 30 over x. Ito naman, para naman makuha ang y, gagawin lang natin 36 divided by 4 equals 9. At ang ating equation, y equals 36 over x. Okay, dito naman po tayo. Given ng y, which is 20, given ng equation, mahanap pa natin ang k. Siyempre, ang k natin ay nasa taas, which is, alright, 50. At para mahanap naman natin si x, ang gagawin lang natin ay k over y, which is 50 divided by 20. At ang sagot ay 5 halves. Alright? With the simplest form of 50 over 20. Okay, nakakasabay po ba? So, balikan lang po natin. Direct variation, tandaan, meron tayong tinatawag na direct variation at direct square variation. Okay? So, y equals kx. Gamitan lang po natin siya ng formula for the constant of variation, which is k. Y over x. So, paano natin babasahin yan? Y varies directly with x. Y is directly proportional to x. At syempre, meron din tayong example niya, no? Direct square variation. Y varies directly as the square of x. Alright, next naman tayo ay inverse variation. Tandaan, y equals k over x. So, paano natin babasahin yan? Y is inversely proportional to x, or we can say, x is inversely proportional to y. So, pwede nating pagpalitin, no? X and y. Alright. So, makikita natin yan dun sa ating tinatawag na proportion, no? Mga properties of proportion. Okay. Next, sa joint variation naman, huwag natin kakalimutan, y equals kx(z), or pwede natin, kung hinahanap natin ang constant of variation, k equals y over xz. So, paano po yan babasahin, ma'am? Y varies jointly as x and z. Alright! Okay, magtungo naman tayo sa combined variation. Z varies directly as x and inversely as y. So, kung napapansin natin, no, pinagsama siya ni direct tsaka ni inverse. So, z varies directly as x. No, kung tumataas si z, tumataas din si x. Kung tumataas si z, bumababa naman si y. So, ito yung tinatawag nating combined variation. Alright! Simula tayo sa joint variation. Example number 1. Ready na ba? Okay, tignan natin sa ating mga live viewers kung makakasabay at makakasagot sa ating mga tanong. Hello from, okay, good afternoon, Ann Margaret Correche. Alright, hello from Diparo High School. Angie De La Peña, Carl Lexus, Harry. Okay, thank you for tagging. Please tag your classmates, share this one so they can learn also. Alright. For our solution, we can use the formula y equals kxz. Alright? So, y varies jointly. So, joint variation ang hinahanap. First step, or pwede rin natin gamitin na yung constant of variation formula, which is equal to y over xz. Ayan. So, first step, hanapin muna natin ang constant of variation. Just plug in the values. If we have y, which is 45, x, which is 9, and z equals 15. So, 45 over 9 times 15. And don't forget to simplify. Teacher, pwede ba decimal? It's okay, but you can use fraction, no? Para mas madali. So, k equals 1/3. Alright, make sure to simplify. K equals 1/3. After getting the constant of variation, then you can plug it in to our equation. Okay, ano ang ating equation? Y equals kxa. Papalitan lang natin si k ng 1/3. No? And then let's plug in x equals 25, z equals 12. Makukuha na natin ang value ng y. 1/3 of 25 times 12. Alright, so pwede na tayo mag-cancel dito, no? Factors ng 12 ay 4 tsaka 3. So, makakancel na natin yung 3. So, 25 times 4 na lang. The answer is 100. Sa ganun po, huwag kalimutan, first step natin lagi na hanapin ang constant of variation kung hindi pa siya given. Okay, first step, find the constant of variation. Plug in using the given value. Second step. And always double check, triple check, quadruple check, and do as many checks as you can para naman perfect at correct. Alright. Example number 2. The volume V of a cone varies jointly as its height, h, and square of its radius r. The volume of a cone whose r equals 15 cm and h equals 4 cm is approximately 837.3 cubic centimeters. What is the approximate height of a cone given that r equals 10 cm and v equals 314 cubic centimeter? Alright, tandaan, nandito ang ating clue word, varies jointly. So ano ang gagamitin nating formula? V equals KHR squared. Okay, so ito ay joint variation. Ano ang ating first step? First step natin, hanapin ang value ng K. Teacher, can we use our calculator? Yes, you can. It's okay. Make sure to double check, no? Yung pag-input natin sa ating calculator. Okay? Tignan nga natin ang ating mga comments. Alright, sige nga po. Gamitin nga natin ang ating calculator. Habang kayo ay gumagamit ng calculator, titignan ko kung sino yung makakasagot nito. What is the value of K? Alright, mag-invest na tayo ng calculator dahil gagamitin natin yan. Sa grade 10 and then sa ating senior high school, syempre. Okay, good afternoon. Once again from Kabatuan, Isabela. Hello, Virakel Joy Loreto Agonoy. Hello po. Alright, tignan nga natin. Okay, so by plugging in or putting the values in our calculator, the value of K is equal to 1.0466. Okay, as much as possible, kung ito naman ay terminating decimal, ilagay mo na lahat. No? Huwag ka nang magtira pa ng decimal. If it's terminating, no? If it's non-terminating, walang katapusan, you can use 4 decimal places. Alright? Next, so after getting the constant of variation, no? Ano na ang tanong? What is the approximate height? Then we can plug into our equation. Alright? Which is volume equals KHR squared Ang gagawin lang natin, no? 314 is approximately equal to 1.0466. Okay. Times 10 square times the height. So, pwede i-plug in lang natin sa original. Or, pwede nyo nang gamitin ang formula which is H equals volume over KR squared. And, using manipulations in here, H is approximately 3. Okay? Depende yan. Halimbawa, sinabi ni teacher, whole number. So, i-round off mo lang to whole number. 2 decimal places. Then, round it off to 2 decimal places. Okay, good day po. Watching from Macario Molina National High School, Romblon. Hello po sa inyong lahat dyan. And from Molina National High School. Alright. Okay, grade 9 spring. Althea May M. Rog. Okay, kapangalan mo ang aking kapatid, Althea. Good day po. Watching from MMNHS, Hershey Manungay. Hello sa inyong lahat dyan. Alright, next na po tayo. Diba? So, tatandaan, para sa first step is to find the constant of variation. Usually, binibigay na namin yung formula for K. And then you will just plug in the values. Tumungo na tayo sa combined variation. Ready pa ba? Kaya pa? Yes, kakayanin. Okay, paalala lang natin sa ating mga grade 9 students, ha? Huwag lang sanang makapasa ang goal natin. Dapat matuto. Dahil kapag natuto, hanggang senior high school, hanggang college, ay maitutulay mo, no? Maitutulay na ibig sabihin, makakapasa ka at hindi ka mahihirapan. Kaya huwag kalimutan, every Friday, 3 p.m., i-share natin sa ating mga ka-classmate, mga ka-schoolmate. Okay, para sila ay hindi lang makapasa, kundi matuto. Example number 1, para sa ating combined variation. Tandaan, combined, from the term itself, combined, nandoon si direct at si inverse. Okay, nakikita naman natin, nandun yung word na direct at nandito yung word na inverse. So, anong tawag dyan? Combined variation. The value of say is directly proportional to x. Okay, and inversely proportional to y. When x equals 9 and y equals 4, the value of say is 18. Find say if x equals 12 and y equals 6. Alright. Sinulit natin. Say varies directly as x and inversely proportional to y. So, ito po yung ating formula. Tatandaan ha, varies directly, nasa taas po si x, varies inversely, nandoon po sa baba. Okay. At syempre, be careful, lalo na sa pag-plug in, pag-substitute ng given numbers. Always double check and spot your mistake as much as possible. No? Again, first step natin, hanapin ang K. K talaga dapat eh. Hanapin talaga natin yung K. Hello, Yilin Merida. Ang ganda naman yung pangalan. So, we have here, let's plug in yung complete. Teacher, ano yung complete dito? Yung x equals 9, y equals 4, z equals 18. So, ito yung complete pair natin, no? Complete group. Na kung saan mahanap natin yung constant of variation. So, plug in lang natin. Alright, so, gamitin natin itong formula. Say y over x. So, z equals 18. Y equals 4. And x equals 9. Sige nga, tignan nga natin ano kaya ang ating constant of variation at ano kaya ang magiging sagot sa z. Alright, habang ako ay tumitingin sa comment section, aabangan ko kung sino ang unang makakasagot ng z. Ano kaya ang value ng z? Bigay ko lang 18 times 4 divided by 9. Simplify and then get the value of z. Don't forget, you can use this equation, this formula. Z equals Kx over Y. Ayan, may sumagot na si Ara Jane Bustamante Moral. K equals 8. Very good. Ano naman kaya ang value ng Z? Sige, tignan nga natin. Alright, meron pa naman tayong oras. Sabi ni Princess Anika Moral is 8 po. Hi, good afternoon. Sabi naman ni Hana Nika Donaire, 8 po. Hi, good afternoon. I'm Mark Honorato. Hello, Mark Honorato Pisalodab from Diparo High School. Hello sa ating principal, Ma'am Marlene C. Ocol. Crystal May Altea May Rubies and Hershey Manungay. Sabi nila 8. Yes, K equals 8. Ano kaya naman yung Z? Pakilagay nga, Z equals. What do you think is the value of Z using the given value of X, which is 12, and Y equals 6? Don't forget to plug in our equation. Z equals Kx over Y. Alright, so habang nag-iintay tayo ng sagot, hello, Mrs. Prospero. Yes po. Good afternoon. Tignan nga natin from Isabela Romblon and Caloocan. Sino unang makakasagot ng Z? Ara Jane Bustamante Moral. Tignan nga natin. Because then in the original equation, substitute K equals 8, X equals 12, and Y equals 6 to find Z. Alright, may mga sumasagot na. So, plug in lang natin. 8 times 12 divided by 6. Oh, don't forget divide natin. Divided by 6. Hintay pa tayo ng sagot. Alright. Ulitin nga natin, 8 times 12 divided by 6. Okay. Medyo naguluhan lang ng konti. Z equals, baka nakalimutan yung ating Y. Ang Y natin ay 6. Okay, ang tamang sagot, alright, 96 divided by 6, it should be 16. Okay. Double check your answer just like what I've told you a while ago. You have to double check your answer. Yes, Rian Villanueva and Hana Nika, Z equals 16. Lance Obanan, yes, it's 16. Okay? Next tayo. So, huwag kalimutan step by step para makuha niyo yung sagot. Okay? Huwag kagad mag-jump kasi you might get a wrong answer. Right, next. Another example. The volume of gas varies directly as the temperature and inversely as the pressure. Okay? Directly, taas yung temperature, pressure sa baba. If the volume is 180 cubic centimeters when the temperature is 100 degree Kelvin and the pressure is 10 pounds per square centimeter, what is the volume when the temperature is 210 degree Kelvin and the pressure is 30 pounds per square centimeters? Tignan nga natin. Alright. First step natin, pwede nyong ilagay. First step natin ay hahanapin yung K. Pero, kinakailangan muna natin ipakita ang ating equation. Okay, tignan nga natin sa ating mga comment section. So, V, you can represent the first letter. Pwede mong gamitin yan. V equals K times T, which is the temperature, over P, which is the pressure. So, mababasa natin yan ng maayos, no? V varies directly as T and inversely as P. Okay? That's how you read it. Or you can say V is directly proportional to T and inversely proportional to P. Next, to get the value of K, di ba, first step natin, hanapin muna ang constant of variation. BP divided by T. Okay? BP divided by T. So we have 180 times, once again, if the volume, nandito naman, 180. And then, ang ating, as you can see, 10 pounds per square centimeter, no, ang ating pressure. Okay. I-plug in lang natin. What is the volume? When the temperature is 210 degree Kelvin and the pressure is 30 pounds per cubic centimeter. Sige nga. So, ang K natin ay 12. Now, after getting the constant of variation, we can now substitute in here. Okay? So, ang dali lang ng steps, no? Represent the equation if it's direct, inverse, joint, or combined. Use the formula for the constant of variation. And then just plug in. Substitute the values of K. Okay, tignan natin kung sino makakasagot. Yes, Ara Jane Bustamante Moral, K equals 12. Ano kaya ang volume? What is the volume? Hi, Carl Lexus Harry Castillo. Okay, while waiting for your answers, once again, all you have to do is to plug in, substitute the values for K, which is 12, T equals 210, and P equals 30. Ang dali, di ba? Well, you can use your calculator, and you can also challenge yourself if you want. So, K equals 12, T equals 210, and P equals 30. What's the correct answer? Okay, let's just substitute in here. 12 times 210 divided by 30, that is 2,520 divided by 30, which is 84 cubic. Alright, so we have here cubic centimeters. Okay, easy pa. 84 cubic centimeters. And don't forget the unit, no? Okay, next na po tayo. Good. Obanan, Lansras, Obanan. Now, ready na ba kayo para sa ating assessment? Sige nga, ready na natin. Okay, shout out muna sa mga schools ninyo. Meron tayong 5 assessment. For the 5 questions, titignan natin kung sino ang makaka-perfect. Ihanda na ang inyong calculator. Huwag kayong mag-alala, i-guide ko kayo for a bit. Pero ihanda ang calculator, it's okay. And then, let's have the following questions. Ready na ba? Giro Tolentino, hi from Deparo High School. Great afternoon. Alright. Okay, siguro ready na ang ating mga students, ang ating mga math terrific students. Question number 1. Okay, question number 1. So, tatandaan lang ating mga formula. Sana naisulat natin yung formula, no? Y equals kx, no? Y equals k over x. At yung mga corresponding formula for the constant of variation. Okay, open notes muna tayo. Number 1. If a car hovers 102 kilometers in 6.8 liters of gasoline, how much distance will it cover in 24.2 liters of gasoline? Okay, kung mapapansin natin, no? Distance tapos yung gasolina. Kung ikaw ay magko-cover ng mas mahaba, no? Na mas malayong lugar or kilometers, mas mahabang daan, no? Pathway. And then, anong kinakailangan natin? Siyempre, mas kinakailangan na natin ng mas marami pang gasolina. So, ito ay direct, no? Direct variation. So ano kaya ang ating magiging sagot? Direct variation, tandaan, y equals kx. Sure, if the distance, no? Kung mapapansin nyo, we have here the distance and then the liters. Kung tumaas ang litro, ano kaya ang mangyayari sa ating distance? Actually, lahat dito more of 363. Is it A, 363, B, 370, C, 375 kilometers, or letter D, 396. Naku, may sagot na si Yelin Berida. Lagyan mo ng number, anak, para makita natin kung number 1 ba yan. Alright, tandaan, hanapin first step, hanapin ang K. K equals y over x. Mag-K pa sila ng sagot ni Althea May Rubis. Ano kaya ang sagot? Antay pa tayo ng iba. Sabi naman ni Rian, letter A. Huwag kakalimutan ha, isubstitute talaga ng maayos yung formula at gumamit tayo ng calculator. Sabi naman ni Crystal May, letter A. Ano kaya ang tamang sagot? Y, ito yung ating Y, ito yung ating X. So, ang hinahanap dito ay Y given ang X. Ang tamang sagot, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ang tamang sagot, it's letter A. Very good, Rian and Crystal May Rica Franca. I know you're from Deparo High School. Shout out sa Caloocan, SDO, Caloocan City. Okay, Deparo High School, ang ating principal, si Ma'am Arlene C. Ocon. Number 2. Hindi na natin kailangan mag-solve dito. Ilagay po yung number 2. The speed S of a moving object varies directly to the distance traveled. D and varies inversely to the time taken T. Merong word na directly at merong word na inversely. Ano kaya ito? What kind of variation is illustrated by the statement above? Ready na ba ang ating mga math terrific students? Alright. Is it A, direct, B, inverse, C, joint, or letter D, combine? Alright! May sumagot na si Lance Ras Opana. Ang sabi niya, letter D. Tignan nga natin. Sabi naman ni Althea May Rubis, combine. Sabi naman ni Aaron, letter D. Hershey, letter D. Trian, letter D. Crystal May, letter D. Okay, ang tamang sagot ay letter D. Great job! Next, number 3. A spring is displaced by 0.05 meter and held in place with a force of 500 Newton. Okay, 500 N. What is the spring constant of the said material? Ano daw ang ating spring constant, no, ng ating said material? Ano kaya to? Number 3. What do you think? Is it A, 10,000 N per meter? Letter B, 1,000 N per meter. Letter C, 100 N per meter. Or letter D, 10 N per meter. Okay, ano kaya yung constant? Actually, ang tinatanong natin dito, yung constant of variation. No? What do you think is the constant of variation? Okay, which is, ang ating Y ay 500. Ang ating X ay 0.05. 10 seconds, go! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Ang ating sagot, tignan nga natin. Alright. May iba-iba silang sagot. Sino na kaya makakatatlong puntos? It's letter A. 500 divided by 0.05. So nakikita ko si Rian. Tama ba ako, Rian? Perfect ka, no? Mula 1, 2, 3. Double check lang natin. Ikaw ba yon, Rian? Number of... Okay, tama siya. Tama ba ako? 1A, 2. Napapansin natin yan, no? Number 2, nakasagot ka ba? Letter D. Tama. Number 3, letter A. Wow! Very good. Si, anong pangalan ulit? Ayan, nawala ako. Si Rian Villanueva Omeres from Diparo High School. Number 4. If 20 men can build a wall 56 meters long in 6 days, what length of a similar wall can be built by 35 men in 3 days? Okay. Ano ba to? Tignan natin Men. And then 56 meters long in 6 days. No? What length of a similar wall can be built by 35 men in 3 days? 20 men. Ang magagawa daw nila ay 56 meters long. Paano kaya pag mas maraming tao? Pero sa loob lamang ng 3 araw, ilan kaya or ano kaya ang haba ng ating wall? Medyo challenging, ano? Ano kaya ang gagamitin natin dito? Number 4 na tayo. Alright. Okay, 10 seconds. Go! You may use your calculator. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. At ang tamang sagot, tignan na natin. Naku, wala pang sumasagot. Number 4. Okay. Ayan, may sumasagot na si Hana Nika. Alright, wait lang natin ng konti. Ang iba pa. Okay, sabi naman ni Yilin, letter A. Sabi naman ni Althea, letter A, 49 meters. Tignan nga natin, ano kayang ginamit nila? Sabi naman ni Lance, yes, letter A, 49 meters. Okay, last, number 5. Number 5 na tayo, The power P in watts of an electrical circuit varies jointly as the resistance R and the square of the current I. For a 600-watt oven that draws a current of 5 amperes, resistance is 24 ohms. What is the resistance of a 200-watt refrigerator that draws a current of 1.7 amperes? Wow! Kayang-kaya. Siyempre, ano ulit? P varies jointly as the resistance R and then I square. O, kasi pag sinabi mong square ng I square. So, varies jointly, ibig sabihin, joint variation. Is it A, 169 ohms, B, 89 ohms, C, 69 ohms, or letter D, 57.8 ohms. Okay. Tandaan, joint variation. Ready? 10 seconds, go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Tignan nga natin. Ayan. Alright. Tignan natin, parang wala pang sumasagot, no? Hintayin lang natin ng saglit. Good afternoon sa ating mga live viewers. Huwag kalimutan every Friday tayo, 3 to 3:45. Actually, 3 to 3:40 p.m. lang. No? Sumagot na si Yilin Merida. Ang sagot niyan, number 5, letter D daw. Ano kaya ang tamang sagot? Sabi naman ni Gino Tua, letter A. Okay. Dapat gamitan nyo ng calculation sa Alright. Sige, another 5 seconds. Habol ang iba. Humahabol si Crystal May. Alright. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Ang tamang sagot ay letter C. Oh no. So, kailangan nating i-calculate ng mabuti. Alright. So, muli, nagpapasalamat kami ni Tutor Janet, si Tutor Janet from SDO Pasay and Tutor Nick from SDO Caloocan City na manood lamang po every Friday 3 o'clock to 3:40 p.m. Okay, at ito ang ating Junior High School Mathematics tutors. Abangan, next na po natin dyan sila Tutor Roel, Tutor King ng grade 10. Muli, ako po si Tutor Nick na nagsasabi, alright, kinakailangang mag-double check, triple check, quadruple check para ikaw naman ay laging correct. Alright, see you again next